you have the copycat recipe to their batter for their delicious fish, shrimps, and yeah, some soul food restaurant recipes. Hi guys, how's everybody doing today? Good. You guys, are you truly doing good? Terrific. So today, guys, what we have before you is the all-purpose batter for seafood and shrimp and even chicken, you guys. And this is really basically is what I've been taught over the years. It makes a terrific batter, and you will enjoy this batter, you guys. Trust and believe, you will enjoy this batter. So yes, we're gonna put us a batter together. Okay guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add us 1 cup of flour. Second thing we're gonna do is add us some baking powder, and I'm gonna put a teaspoon of baking powder. I don't think I need that much more. Let me put everything over here, and I'm gonna add some baking soda. Not much. This is a half a teaspoon. Okay. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. Just enough. Okay, because I don't want it too spicy. I'm gonna put me some black pepper. Most people use white pepper, but I'm using a little black pepper, you guys. And I'm just gonna put a little salt. Not much. Along with some garlic powder for seasoning. And we cannot forget just a little sugar. So we're going to at least do a teaspoon of sugar. I don't want it too sweet, you guys. And yes, that will be it. And we're going to add us some approximately a cup of water. If you're not sure, use your measuring cup, because you want the same ratio as flour as in the water. Now most people will have combined the dry ingredients first, and whatever you choose is your preference, okay? But your girl figured, hey, it all gonna get mixed together, okay? And I'm just gonna go on and give this a quick stir and blend all of this in together, because I want to sit this in the refrigerator for approximately 5 minutes while I let my oil heat up. And so yes, we'll be back. Okay guys, so we're back, and so we're going to start off with the chicken, because you know shrimp have a strong scent. So we're going to put our chicken over in the batter, you guys. And we're just going to bring it out. And I'm just going to let it drip. Shaking it just slightly, because I want to put it over in this pan, well, this pot that I'm going to deep fry in. And we're going to just put it on in here. You don't want to overcrowd it, because you want to make sure that each piece fries perfectly. Be extra careful, you guys. If you actually, some people always wonder, they say soul food restaurants always have good chicken. Have you ever noticed that? You guys, there's a secret to the technique. Okay? And basically, you guys, it's the batter. And I don't know if you're from Michigan, but if you're familiar with Danetta's shrimp and fish, then you will be familiar with the way I'm battering this chicken. This actually makes terrific chicken. So we're going to do 4 pieces at a time. We just want to rotate it so it won't stick. You guys, if you never tried your chicken this way before, try this recipe. Put whatever seasoning you like in your chicken. And yeah, we'll be right back once we do the corn. Okay guys, so our next move is we're going to go ahead and we're going to insert our corn into this same batter. I'm just going to swirl it around just to get the batter all over the corn. And you can make this corn at home any day of the week, you guys. And you're just going to insert it and let go. Let go. Let's do the last corn. Oh my goodness. This last one don't want to cooperate, you guys. Let's just go and get it in this pot. And we'll be back with our shrimp. Okay guys, so we're back. Now let's get our shrimp into this batter. Let's get our shrimp over in this batter. I'm gonna use the tail, and we're just gonna put it on in here. Because you know shrimp don't take long at all. And what we have on this shrimp is a little Obey seasoning. So just in case you're wondering what seasoning I use a little Obey. Oh, look at there. Look at that. You don't want to overcook them. Like I say, you guys, you can use this recipe for anything that you want to deep fry. Excuse the messy hands. So guys, there you have it. You want some of this goodness? You better follow the recipe, you guys. You have the fried corn. You have the fried shrimp. You have the fried chicken. Yes, you guys, fried chicken. You guys, it brought back so many memories for me. Dinetta's shrimp and fish. That, you guys, that is their secret to their batter, as well as Long John Silver's. So yes, you guys, you have the copycat recipe to their batter for their delicious fish, shrimps, and yeah, some soul food restaurant recipes, except you can, and it's much easier and quicker if you boil your chicken first and then put that batter on it. You guys, if you give it a try, at least tag me in, inform me how you like it, and yeah, let's check this chicken, you guys. We're gonna check the chicken. You guys, let me see. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Tastes just like old days. You guys, I hope you enjoyed this Friday recipe. Thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, come join your girl. You never know what you get out of video. You guys, so until then, you guys, I am going to show you much love. You guys, much love. Take you a bite. I guarantee you, you will love it. But yes, share this recipe with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. And I'll see you guys after I send you much love over to your channel, your home. Enjoy your weekend. And don't forget, you guys, try this recipe. Tell me how you like it. Got just the right amount of heat. Bye. Bye-bye.